Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change debit card on Cash App. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Cash App application. Once you open it, make sure you log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create a new one and then log in. Once you do so, you'll get to this home page. Now once you're on this home page, tap on your profile at the top right corner and then scroll a bit down. Then you will see this option Link Banks under Account and Settings section. Tap on it. Then in this page, it will show all the debit cards that you have linked to your Cash App. Now to change it, all you have to do is long press on the card and then a pop-up will appear. On that pop-up, tap on Remove Card option, and once you do so, the card will be removed. Once you do so, tap on this option where it says Link Debit Card, and then in this page, enter your new debit card's information. Once you fill up this, tap on this Link Card button and then your debit card will be changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.